Can't you see? The signal's breaking, systems failing. Your twisted truth is all prevailing. Every screen shows your control, while my people lose their soul. Breaking down the walls you built, washing away layers of guilt. My homeland bleeds in binary. The future's not what it should be. Through streams of data we will rise, light up the dark, darker eyes. My homeland bleeds in binary. My homeland through the air can live. My love still burns through you and me. Tonight we'll make it right again. Let justice flow like digital rain. They took our faith, replaced our hearts with empty space and broken parts. The code you wrote to chain us down won't stop us now. We'll wear the crown. Every day we grow more strong, fighting back against the wrong, breaking through the walls of pain till nothing corrupt shall remain. Rising up against the tide, breaking through the other side. Your corruption ends tonight as we reclaim our burning light. My homeland bleeds in binary, but now we're finally breaking free. Through streams of data we will rise, unite our hearts and lives. My homeland bleeds in binary. My homeland bleeds in binary. The future's running out of me. Tonight we make it right again. Let justice reign. Let justice reign.